Alright, so today Dr. Jumpy gave us an order to give Skip Rocker 1 gram of rocephin. So what we're going to do, we're going to go check the MARS, compare it with the orders, and yes, we're supposed to give 1 gram. And then we're going to wash our hands. Then we're going to get our medication ready. So we have our powder here, and it says we're going to use the high dose, which is 500 milligrams per milliliter, which is 5.6 milliliters. So I'm going to take my syringe. Well, first I'm going to clean the top of the vials. Take this alcohol swab. Alright, I'm going to take my syringe. I'm not going to use the safety needle. I'm going to use a different needle. We're going to pull back. We're going to insert into our powder. And we're going to take out 3 milliliters of air. Okay. We're going to put it into our solution. We're going to insert that 3 milliliters of air. Okay. Now we're going to pull out 3 milliliters. We're going to put that 3 milliliters into our powder. Okay. Keep it in that vial. Pull out 2.6 milliliters of air. Put in our solution, put that 2.6 air, and then we are going to take out 2.6 milliliters. Put the final 2.6 in the powder. And then we're going to take our needle. It's really on there. We're going to put this one in the sharps container. And we're going to get a new needle after we clean the surface again for our vials. We're going to take our new needle to draw up the medication. Okay. Let's make sure it's all the way dissolved. Roll it around. Insert our needle, and for 1 gram we're going to draw out 1 milliliter. We're going to take this needle, we're going to place it in the sharps container. We're going to place on our needle that we're going to get the injection with. then we're going to take our things and our vial with us. We're going to go into Mr. Rocker's room. Hey Mr. Rocker, how are ya? We're going to give you a Rocephin injection today. We're going to do it on the gluteal muscle. So what we're going to do is we're going to have you stand, we're going to have you flex, and where that divot is where we're going to be giving you your injection. It's going to be the Z-track method. So the site that I'm going to clean. Okay, start from the middle, work your way out. And I'm going to retract the skin from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to pull the skin back 1 inch to 1.5 inches. I'm going to go at a 90-degree angle, insert it, and I'm going to use this hand to hold. I'm going to aspirate for 5 seconds. There was no blood return, so I'm going to administer the medication. Alright, my safety needle. I'm going to take this, put this in the sharps container. Then if it's bleeding, you can blot it. And then Mr. Rocker can return to bed. And then I'm going to document where I gave it, when I gave it, and if there was any reactions.